chances are, whether it's a full-on accident in your garage or at a stop sign, you will probably drop your bike. And regardless of whether you have some kind of engine guard or slider, there may be some body damage. In my case, I dropped my Triumph Tiger Sport 660 at a stop sign in the middle of nowhere during a downpour, and though the damage is not severe, it's still kind of annoying to have it on the bike. The biggest problem is this crack on the fairing, which I will probably fix at a later date. But there was also some damage on this lower piece that protects the radiator. Fortunately, this particular piece is not super expensive, and the installation and replacement of it is fairly easy. So if you do have a Triumph Tiger Sport 660 and you have a similar issue where this radiator piece got damaged for some reason, let me walk you through real quick how to swap it out. Let's take a look. The whole piece is held up technically by clips and one little bolt, for which you will need an Allen key. The rest of the panel is held up with clips, which you can fairly easily pull away, and you can see the little spots for the clips, and they're right here. Now be careful, there's a wire in here, so make sure that doesn't get left on the outside when you put a replacement in. In here you see the original damaged piece and the new piece. Now, the one thing you do want to make sure you transfer over from the original is this little clip. That's the only way you'll be able to actually install the bolt, because the new one does not come with it. And that just pops right out. And clips on to the new one. Now you will need an Allen wrench key for this. You can see that it'll just pop back into the same clips and the bolt right here. Make sure that wire that's in here is tucked away. So that's pretty much it. All you really need is an Allen key, one bolt, the clip that comes with the original piece, and the new piece. And the whole thing takes about less than 5 minutes. Hopefully none of you are breaking this piece, but for those of you that did, hopefully this helped. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Ride safe.